Hi, I'm Chef Bailey, a private chef with Kitchen.com, and I'm standing in the kitchen today of my favorite restaurant, Frida's Caribbean and Soul Cuisine. Today I'll be making a pollo guisado, which is a Spanish braised chicken. We're going to start with about 2 pounds of chicken parts. I typically like the thighs. And we'll start by seasoning that with some salt, pepper, some oregano, garlic powder. We're going to throw tomatoes and peppers in here, as well as some diced onions. Now this chicken is based in a tomato sauce, so that's what we have here. We have tomato sauce with paste. We also have olives and, of course, sofrito. We're just going to massage and marinate your chicken parts like so. And we're going to cook this in about 2 tablespoons oil. And it's really quick. You just want to add your tomato sauce and paste at this point. Olives. I love these. And your sofrito. Cover that and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until your chicken is done. And this is what you will have as your finished product. I like to serve my pollo guisado with yellow rice, arroz con gandules, which is a Spanish yellow rice with pigeon peas.